How to add GIF in Google Slides. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can add GIF in Google Slide. And it's very simple. First of all, open up your Google Slides just like I have done here. Then select the presentation that you would like to add a GIF to. And so after opening up the presentation, I am brought to the presentation page. You can see how it looks like, right? Then the next step is to go to the top left corner. Just below your title of the presentation, you can see other options, other tabs such as file, edit, view, insert, format, slide, arrange, tools, extensions, help. So go ahead and click on insert. Then by clicking on insert, you can see options like image, text box, audio, etc. So just go ahead and click on image. So by clicking on image, by the right side, you can see options like upload from computer, search the web. You can see GIFs and stickers. So just go ahead and click on GIFs and stickers, and then you wait for the page to load. You wait for the then you can now go ahead, move to the right side. You can decide to search out the GIF that you would like to add to your presentation. Okay, but to add this GIF, I'll be adding the GIF to this particular slide. So now you can see some GIFs here already. You can see stickers here. So you can just go ahead and select the one that you want. So by selecting it, you can see the start button by the bottom right corner. Click on insert, and then you wait for it to load, and then the GIF will be added to your Google Slide presentation. You can see how cool this is. You can even make your presentation as friendly as possible. So as you can see, the GIF has been added. All right, so just go ahead and add your GIF. You can also add stickers if you want to do that. This is how you can add GIF and stickers to your Google Slide. It has been made simple. Go ahead and try it out. Thank you for watching.